So if you're from a restricted country or you're from any country that you're not able to create a Clickbank account, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a valid and functional Clickbank account from wherever you are in the world, be it from Africa, be it from Asia, anywhere that is banned or unbanned countries. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a functional and operational Clickbank account. Hello, this is Lokiato and you're welcome to Digital Skills Academy Hub. In today's video, you will learn how to create a valid Clickbank account. I mean the latest method to create a valid Clickbank account in 2024. So if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and don't forget to check the description below for valuable stuff that will help you in your digital marketing, business, or your online ventures. So let's get straight to it. So guys, as you can see, I'm on my screen right now, and what you're seeing are the two websites that I use to check the quality of my IP. So my IP is fully set up to head straight to Clickbank website and make my account. But if your IP is not good, then trust me, these websites will not pass the quality check of this website. Most importantly, the most important is this pixel scan. If your IP is not good, all right, it will not pass this particular pixelscan.net website. You're gonna see that it's telling you that your browser is inconsistent, your browser fingerprints are inconsistent. And even down over here, you're gonna say, especially this is your IP, this one that says your IP looks good, is going to tell you that you're definitely spoofing your IP. So why I'm saying this is because you should take note that one of the most important factor why Clickbank banned your account or why you're not able to create a Clickbank account is because your IP is not good, or you're either using a VPN connection. Like when you search on YouTube, you're going to see some videos that are recommending you to use a VPN, Epic browser, and create a Clickbank account from restricted countries. So if you're from restricted countries and you use a VPN, definitely they are going to ban your account immediately, and you will not be able to create a Clickbank account. So but with this my IP setup, you'll be able to create a Clickbank account wherever you are in the world. Wherever you are in the world, whatever country you are, whether restricted or non-restricted, most especially for restricted countries in Africa, in Asia, okay, and some other parts of the world that is restricted. With this my IP setup, you'll be able to create a valid Clickbank account in 2024. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be sharing this IP setup with you publicly. If you need this IP setup, you just hit me up, okay, hit me up, and I'll share this with you privately, because I don't want this particular setup to get busted. Sorry. Okay, so I don't want this particular IP setup to get busted. So without much further ado, let's head straight and start making our Clickbank account. So now what we are going to do is to head over to clickbank.com. Okay, so now we're on clickbank.com. Another tip that I'd like to give you is that Clickbank are now really being very selective to those they allow on their platform. All right, so I'll advise that you use a pure English name. If you're using all those native names, maybe you're from Nigeria and you're using a kind of Abraham, Toby, or Abraham, Emeka, all those kind of native name, I'll advise you to look for a pure English name. So if your English name is like John Michael, okay, John Michael is good, any of this English name, or look for a friend or a relative that has an English name that is tied to their ID, because you need your ID to create a bank account that can be able to receive payment for you. So you need definitely, because your bank name needs to match your Clickbank name before you can get paid. So you need someone that has pure English name. Do not mix your native name. Do not use your native name, because they will detect that definitely this person is obviously coming from Africa. All right. So that is the tips I would love to give you guys. So let's just head to it and get started. Let's start here. Are you sure? Just yes, I'd like to know. Sign up to let no. Okay, skip. Let's just skip this quick guide. Let's skip this guide. Let's skip everything and just head straight to making our Clickbank account. All right. So I'll be using my real name. All right. I'll be using my. I already have a Clickbank account, but that Clickbank account is just my first name and my surname. So to differentiate the two, I'll be using my first and second name, which is Lokiato, then with my surname, which is Kaine. I hope you guys understand it. So let's head straight over it. I'm coming from Australia. My IP setup is from Australia. You can see it. Sorry, Austria rather. My IP setup is from Austria. As you can see it. ISP is Telecom Austria. User type by IP. You can see it. I'm using a residential IP. I'm using a residential IP. So my location, my IP location is from Austria. I'm using Austria location to create this Clickbank account. So I'll be selecting Austria. Okay, Austria. Okay, so my first name will be Lucky Ato, then Kaine. Last name should be Kaine, Kaine. Then for numbers, use real numbers. Okay, there are websites where you can get real numbers from. You can get real quality numbers from those websites. And one of the website is SMSPVA. This is the website here, SMSPVA. You can get real quality numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on WhatsApp to generate a number that I can use, because these are real numbers. They also detect, VoIP IP numbers. That's what we call VoIP IP. That is online numbers, but these are real numbers. So I'll come down and look for Austria. Austria should be around okay, let me just type Austria. All right, so this is it. Oh, it's 12. Okay, let me look for another services that is less than 12. Let's see what other services it is. Let's look for, maybe let me check out this if it's cheaper. Okay, so you can see this particular Viber, the number is cheaper. I just need a number, so I'll click on select. I'll click on buy number. Okay, and it's gonna pump up over here. I'm just going to select this number. Okay, it has copied already, and then I'll come over here and paste it. Okay, plus 43. All right, so I'll now go back there and cancel because I don't need it. I just needed to generate this number, so I'll just click on refuse and my balance will remain for me. So I'll go back and my email address, I'll use this email address. All right. All right, so I'll input my password as okay. So now, oh, okay, let me redo it again. I'll just, okay, so I'll be able to copy it. Okay, so I just needed to be sure of the password that I inputted. I've changed it though, in case if you want to use the password after creating this account. So now I'll click on continue to terms and conditions. So you need to read their terms and conditions so you understand what their terms and condition is, so that you'll be careful when you're using their platform, so you won't violate any of their policies or any of the terms and conditions. So take your time. You can just just copy this link and paste it in a notepad, okay, for reference purposes. All right, so once that is done, just come back here and you can see it has ticked, it has check marked this box already. Then you click on join. Okay, so I'll save this. So now to build this is no, we don't need any, just say no thanks, continue to sign up. All right, so this is where it gets this is where it gets a little bit tense. All right, because if you don't get it at this point now, your account will be banned. In short, your account will be disabled automatically. All right, but if you can get it here, you're going to see a pop-up here that says your account has been your profile has been successfully updated. So let's click on complete my profile. So I'll come over here, my first and last name, okay, my surname, my email is there, my number also is there. So now street address. So all we just need to do is to come over here and type valid residential addresses in Austria. Okay, in Austria. All right, so once you just type this, it's going to bring out this particular site for you, best random tools, bestrandoms.com. All right, so you can see it brings out random address in Australia. So all you just need to do is to click on it. So once it clicks on it, it generates 6 different addresses for you. So you can use any of the address that you choose to use or you want to use. But take note that whichever address you're using, make sure you jot down the address. Keep everything safe. Copy it and paste it in a notepad. So let's just make use of this. Okay, let's make use of this. I'll copy it. This is the street. I'll come here and paste it. Then for the state and province, for the state, province or region, I'll go with state, province and region. Wait, let me check it out first and see. State, province, Upper Austria. Let's see if they have Upper Austria there. Okay, let me look at our IP and see what we have there. There's no much. Let me check this if there's any much information here. Okay, location Vinay, Australia. Okay, let's see if we have Vinay, Australia here. We don't have that. We don't have that. Okay, let me just go with this. Then city. Come over to city. Here we are working with this. Hamsburg. Okay, city Hamsburg. Then what next? Let me see the zip code. This is the zip code. Copy it and come here and paste it. Okay, so as you can see, everything is well set. So all we just need to do now is to click on save. Wow, so as you can see, our profile has been updated successfully. All right, so as you can see now, my account has been created successfully. So the next thing you need to do is to create your nickname. That is your username. You can still call it our username. So once you click on create your nickname, now account type. Are you a seller? You want to sell a product? Affiliate, promote product, all that, but we want to promote a product, so we click on that. So for my nickname, I'll just put it at 112. Okay, already exists. Wow. So I'm not the only actor. That's awesome. So let me say lucky 112, lucky 11, lucky 001. Oh my god. Okay, let me put it lucky Ato. Okay, I'll just leave it like this. This is just for this video. I'm not making use of this account after all. I just do this video for educational purposes to show you how you can make a Clickbank account and how you can benefit from it, how you can make money from Clickbank. I mean real good money from Clickbank. So you click on sign up. Okay, so you can see your account has been created successfully. So the next thing is you might want to go to marketplace. Okay, so these are all, they are just giving you welcome tips and all that. All right, I'll just skip it. So now you are in your marketplace. Okay, so now the next thing you need to do is to go to your email, copy your email, and if your email is not logged in where your IP, this particular IP is, you need to check into your email. You're going to see a confirmation email from Clickbank. Okay, copy the link from there, come where your IP is, the browser which your IP is, paste the email there and confirm your account so that your account will be fully verified. All right, so that is just it for creating a Clickbank account. So now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to pick hot products from all these niches, how to pick hot products, how to start marketing these products. I'll just make it as a series, so that is why you need to follow all the videos that I'm doing. All right, follow all my videos. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Okay, check the link in the description below for valuable links and tips that I put there that is going to help you to make money from Clickbank or any affiliate websites of your choice. All right, so follow me. If you like this video, make sure you like this video, share this video. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 1,000 guys, and I promise you that following me will be a great experience for you. Okay, so that will be it for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to pick hot products, hot selling products that you can promote without much competition and has a good profit margin. All right, so that will be it for this video. Catch you up in the next video. Okay, thank you, stay blessed.